Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use your CA glue. Whether you purchased thin, medium or high viscosity, this video will show you how to get the best results with the right techniques. Before applying glue, make sure the surfaces are clean and dry. This will ensure a stronger bond. Once your surfaces are ready, apply a small amount of glue to one of the surfaces. For best results, avoid excess glue. It can delay or weaken the bond. Let's start with how each viscosity works. For thin CA glue, the bond sets almost instantly, making it perfect for small, tightly fitting parts and micro repairs. Medium thin viscosity gives you fast bonding with smoother application. It's perfect for quick fixes with a little more control than thin version. Medium viscosity offers the perfect balance between speed and control. It's great for woodworking and general-purpose repairs. Medium thick viscosity is ideal for larger gaps and areas that require more working time before setting. Thick viscosity glue is perfect for heavy-duty applications. It stays in place and doesn't drip, making it ideal for vertical bonding and larger parts. Once you apply the glue, press the two surfaces together and hold until it sets. Set times vary based on your chosen viscosity. While the bond sets quickly, for maximum strength, always wait 24 hours for the full cure. This will ensure the most durable, long-lasting result. After use, wipe the tip clean and screw the cap on tightly. Store your glue upright in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. With the right viscosity for your needs, you are ready to tackle any project, big or small. Happy bonding! Thanks for watching.